Welcome to the Department of Polytechnic at MIT World Peace University, where hands-on learning meets real-world innovation.
Students, here we have the 6 major branches. As per the scenario of the students' legacy, the 6 branches: computer engineering with EIDS, mechanical engineering with robotics, electronics communication with artificial intelligence and machine learning, civil engineering, smart infrastructure.
Our syllabus comprises of subjects like CAD, thermodynamics, mechanical drawing, and other industry-related subjects which prepare me for jobs in modern industries.
Through industry visits from people who come from software companies such as Google, we get first-hand experience on the technologies used in our field. And we also get a clear vision on what is entailed in our path.
We believe in learning by doing the things. Our students work with live project. With the help of internship, different visit, they are exposed to actual industry.
My university provides a conducive environment for education through having a diverse culture and many people being one with a common goal in achieving education through innovation.
Innovations, center of excellence, academic partnerships, internships, placement. We have the given 100% placement to our students, and they are doing very much in the renowned industries.
Where we have our practicals of Python, C programming, PLC, microprogramming, so on and so forth. We have all the industry license, computing and programming skills.
The institute focuses majorly on problem-based learning and practical real-life skills. Many tests are being held from time to time to assess each and every subject.
We have lot of interactive platforms where students participate, such as hackathon, coding competitions, various national and international skill events, to showcase their talent and to build themselves up and network best in the industry.
The faculty here is extremely experienced and make sure that our concepts are crystal clear by assisting us in different projects.
The program also provides with mental well-being. Courses like yoga and peace have helped me develop a balanced mindset, which I believe is important and crucial for every aspiring engineer.
We build a strong foundation in core concepts while gaining hands-on experience with latest technologies.
Working on industry-level projects has given me the confidence to apply my skills in real-life scenarios.
We at MIT-WPU University have various MOUs with various industries, which facilitates smooth placement of our students for the internship.
With very strong collaborations, MIT-WPU graduates are stepping into rewarding careers in IT, then manufacturing, as well as infrastructural companies.
Along with academics, we also get a chance for 3 to 4 months of on-site internship, and I believe it's preparing me for the workforce.
These corporates have given some cutting-edge technology labs on the campus, as well as these corporates are taking part in offering wonderful training programs for the students on the campus.